Isa ka bang OFW? Why not start your own travel and tours business? Ito na yon. I'm Jonah Astrologo. From humble beginnings to living my dream as a travelpreneur with relentless passion, unwavering faith, and a vision to explore beyond limits. I turned my love for travel into a thriving business. Now I empower others to see the world while building their own success. No dream is too big. Just take the first step. Global Pinoy Travels and Tours. This is your trusted travel partner, Jonah Tours and Travel Services.